what's good? Today we're going to unbox and review this mini Bluetooth keyboard, mouse pad for the iPad and the iPhone or iOS. You can use this on your PC or whatever. I keep seeing this all over Instagram. My boy Cheese the producer, shout out Cheese the producer from Beatmakers the Squad, put me on, told me to check out Amazon. They got it cheaper. So I paid about 30 bucks for this, and I'm going to open this up in front of you guys and we'll see what it could do and how it works. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like button and check out wesampleeverything.com. So here's the box. It's nice and small. And this is the type of device I'm looking for, to just be able to fold it up, stick it in my pocket and go. Because for my new iPad, I don't have the keyboard yet, and this might replace that for me at half the price. And this is the one I picked off Amazon, Jellycomb brand. It comes Bluetooth, or you can actually wire it right in. So let's open it up and take a look. This thing is really small. It fits like basically in my hand. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. Comes with the wire and the user manual. Folds open. So far for looks, it looks great. It looks durable, doesn't feel cheap or made cheap. It's pretty strong. This is the on-off button, and this one is the Bluetooth button. So in reading the manual, you just click it on and you hit that Bluetooth button and make sure your Bluetooth is on your iPad or iPhone, obviously. And just a tip, make sure that this is charged up a bit. So stick that wire in, put it into an outlet or whatever, charge it up, because sometimes it might not connect to the Bluetooth if it's not fully charged. So when you first go to connect it, you're going to see the keyboard pop up when you click that. After a few seconds, then you'll see the Bluetooth 3.0 keyboard. You click into that and you're all set to go. So I'm just going to pull up a website. Now if you hold down on the trackpad and then you use another finger to scroll, you can use the mouse to scroll up and down. It's not very fast, but it is working. That's cool. Let's go to our notepad and just type some things in and see how the button reacts. Yeah, okay, this is actually like dead on. It's no time lag or anything. It's just typing as I am. That's pretty dope. Okay, so everything's working fine. All the keys are working fine. Now when you plug this in, don't forget to go into your settings and into your touch and turn assistive touch on for the trackpad to be able to work. And you could customize all this too. And the manual shows you like a couple of tricks you could do here, like double clicking pulls up your copy and paste and everything, so that's dope. And you can see in the manual it has a couple other descriptions, one finger, three finger, the zoom. All right, let's try it out with the wire. I'm going to plug this into my USB-C hub. Video below on that Hyperdrive hub. And on this keyboard, you have the option to use both Bluetooth and wire at the same time. These are some of the controls in the book that you're going to see. So yeah, basically everything seems to be working just fine with the cable and with the Bluetooth. I'm going to try it on my phone now. I'm going to hook it up Bluetooth the same way I did on the iPad. Bring up a note and type. Yep, everything seems to be working just fine. So now I've played with this for about 2 days and I've had no problems at all. So I'm pretty happy with this purchase. If you don't have a keyboard and you're looking for something small and durable, it's pretty durable. It's not cheaply made. This is perfect because you could just fold it up and go, and you have a mouse trackpad. This one has the left and right key. I'm going to play with it and customize it more and see what I could come up with. But overall, this was a dope buy that I got myself, and I'm pretty happy with this. Could just stick it in my pocket and go. It's not as big as the Apple keyboard, and that's what I was looking for. So I hope this could help you out. Once again, go on Amazon, look for them. They're pretty cheap on there right now with all these sales, and it's a dope little item. Hit that subscribe and like, and check out WeSampleEverything.com. Peace.